Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're going to be doing a bit of a litter pickup. This park over here is known for being kind of dirty, and the river next to it is also notorious, mostly because of homeless people or just neglectful hikers and runners. So today we're going to do a little bit of community service. I wish I could bring the camera with me, but I'm going to bring the GoPro instead. A little smaller, a little lighter. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, got my trash bags, some gloves in the backpack. Brought some extra clothes. I probably don't need them, but let's go, I guess. Okay, made it to the actual trail. Uh-oh. First bottle. Okay. Oh, it's got a cigarette butt in it, huh? It's a bit of a double whammy. Little straps here and there. Look at that. Whole box. Strange, it's more bottle caps than bottles. Yes, let's break this down. I should have brought a bigger bag. Poop bag, I assume. Now let's enjoy the river for a little bit. Quite pretty. Yeah, poop bags are a popular one. Ooh, this is just gross. Wow, I decided to put gloves on. Paper towels, huh? Tissues. Oh wow, yeah, it's like a. Am I following a trail right now? Am I gonna get like stuck in a giant cage trap? Someone gonna pull the string and I'm gonna be locked in? On our first little touchdown here, we got a whole bag full. Okay, let's go. Next little spot. Yeah. Not really feeling it. I don't know if these bags are biodegradable or something, because people leave them around a lot. Alright, so that's it for today's video. I'm gonna have to take a couple weeks off of running and or hiking, at least downhill. I guess the issue is something with my IT band. I actually met a PT on my way down from the hill, so be a big break in the videos. I'm working on a project right now anyway, just for my videography stuff, so hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you enjoyed the video, of course, share it with your friends and family, and I'll see you guys next time.